Hey guys, welcome back to Decrypts. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because today we're talking about something massive, the top 6 stocks to buy right now with huge growth potential. We're in December 2025, the market is buzzing with AI, cloud computing, and e-commerce tailwinds, and these picks are positioned to explode in 2026 and beyond. I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Markets can be volatile, past performance isn't indicative of future results. But let's dive in because these companies have insane upside based on recent analyst reports, revenue growth, and market trends. First up, number 6 on the list, CrowdStrike, CRWD. This cybersecurity giant is crushing it right now. In their latest updates, CrowdStrike is seeing explosive demand for their Falcon platform, with annual recurring revenue hitting almost $5 billion and gross margins around 80%. The addressable market is massive, they estimate $116 billion today, potentially doubling to $250 billion by 2029 as cyber threats keep rising. AI-driven attacks are everywhere, and CrowdStrike's endpoint protection is the gold standard. Analysts are loving it for long-term growth, and with the stock pulling back a bit recently, this could be a perfect entry point for huge upside as enterprises double down on security. Moving to number 5, Shopify, Shop. E-commerce is still booming, especially in emerging markets, and Shopify is the backbone for millions of online stores. They've been projecting mid to high 20s revenue growth for Q4 2025, thanks to partnerships and AI enhancements like better search and customer tools. Revenue has been climbing steadily, and with global online shopping set to surge, Shopify's platform is sticky. Once merchants join, they stay. Analysts see tons of potential here as they expand into new features in international markets. If you're betting on digital retail, this one has serious growth rocket fuel. Number 4, Palantir Technologies, PLTR. Palantir is one of the hottest AI plays out there. Their platforms are used by governments and big enterprises for data analytics, and commercial revenue is accelerating fast. Recent reports highlight strong adoption in AI-driven decision-making, with sales growth in the high teens or more. The stock has been volatile, but the fundamentals are solid, they're profitable now and expanding into more sectors like healthcare and manufacturing. With AI hype far from over, Palantir could deliver massive returns as their ontology tech becomes essential for big data. At number 3, ServiceNow, Now. This is a workflow automation beast. In Q3 2025, revenue jumped to over $3.4 billion, up significantly year over year, with subscription growth beating expectations at 22.5%. They're integrating AI everywhere, positioning the Now platform as a must-have for digital transformation in Fortune 500 companies. Analysts expect EPS to keep climbing, with projections around $16 to $17 for 2025. As companies automate more processes to cut costs and boost efficiency, ServiceNow is perfectly placed for sustained double-digit growth. This one's a long-term winner with huge potential. Number 2, Amazon, AMZN. Yeah, the e-commerce king, but don't sleep on AWS. Cloud services are driving most of the profits, and with AI infrastructure demand skyrocketing, AWS is capturing a huge share. Recent data shows strong growth in advertising too, making it a triple threat: retail, cloud, and ads. Analysts are bullish on Amazon's ability to dominate multiple trends, with revenue projections staying robust into 2026. The stock might seem big, but the upside from AI data centers and efficiency gains could push it way higher. And the top pick, number 1, Nvidia, NVDA. No surprise here, Nvidia is the undisputed leader in AI chips. They just reported visibility into $500 billion in sales for their next-gen Blackwell and Rubin GPUs from 2025 to 2026. Trailing revenue is already insane at nearly $200 billion over the last year, and demand is sold out. Data centers are exploding with AI build-out, and Nvidia has the moat with CUDA software and market dominance. Analysts see this as the ultimate growth stock right now. If AI keeps advancing, Nvidia could deliver explosive returns for years. There you have it, my top 6 stocks to buy right now with huge growth potential. These are all tied to massive trends like AI, cloud, and digital transformation that aren't slowing down anytime soon. Which one is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below, smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more stock picks and market updates. Remember, invest responsibly, diversify, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.